and some of the elements of PPI is 2792, 1400, 560, 330. It means we have lot of critical minerals or element, and we have to process further for national needs. And today's MOU definitely help Singareni in making the mineralogical and chemical categorization, beneficiation, feasibility to enrich trace and RE concentration, and the practicability of process development for recovery of trace and RE from the beneficiated concentrate. Tailings as mixed product from coal, fly ash, bottom ash, shale clay, sandstone and granite rocks. This will enable SCCL to achieve technology readiness, the TRL level 4, with a roadmap for further TRL upgrades. And other diversification which Singareni took up is methanol pilot project. We have already took up this project and it is ready for inauguration. So we hope VK Saraswat Saab will visit Singareni and inaugurate the project. And we congratulate Ramanujan, Team Ramanujan Saab and other scientists for organizing to release the Red Mud report release meet and signing up MOUs at IMMT Bhubaneswar. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.